The last couple of hours are ticking here for Bitcoin to make a decision, break it to the upside or to the downside. And this is a really crucial moment here for Bitcoin right now. So you should definitely don't miss this episode, guys. And if you think that is interesting, then please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's dive here directly into the content, guys. So here on the 4-hourly chart, you can see that Bitcoin is trading here within this symmetrical triangle and respecting support and resistance quite nicely. As we can see here, we have here clear resistance to the downside with this downward sloping trend line, and we have also an upward sloping support with these higher lows here along this upward sloping support line. So, and Bitcoin will make a decision in the next 36 hours to either break it to the upside or to the downside. So if Bitcoin would break it to the upside, then we would talk here about a technical target of $35,500. So that would be actually quite nice, and it would line up perfectly with this resistance level here at $35,526, and that we would then bump into. Most likely we would see a small rejection from there. But we have first to get there to see what's going to happen. But it would be nice to be in the mid $30,000 level again, because if we can stay there for a while, we will see for sure a continuation to the upside. So now if Bitcoin would break to the downside, however, Bitcoin would go down to $23,700. So that would be actually also nice, because it would give us the opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin at really low prices that we haven't seen for over a year now. Since we were here in these levels. So it would be actually quite nice to get down there for some accumulation, but obviously for the mid to long term, it would be not nice, because we would just be then in an extended bear market if we go that low. So I think we will not then come out of this until August or even September, and would range in that area here before we see any further upwards movement. So in my opinion, it's just not nice, so if we get down there, we will be stuck for quite a while. So there are like two faces of the coin. On one side, we can accumulate quite cheap Bitcoin. On the other hand, we have low prices and be stuck there. So but let's have a look what indicators potentially are seeing here. According to the stochastic RSI, we have here upwards momentum to the upside, so there's still a lot of more momentum left, so we could technically see a breakout to the upside, but we have to be careful here. In the next 32 minutes, this 4-hourly candle here is closing. We would get then an extension on the stochastic RSI, most likely up here, so there's then like 8 hours left to see a massive breakout to the upside, potentially with some flatlining here at the top, so maybe 12 hours, 16 hours of upside in the best case scenario, if Bitcoin wants to fulfill this technical target, and then has to correct a little bit again here based on the 4-hourly chart. So it could be also that we turn around earlier, depending on what the momentum does here, or the higher time frames, but for now it's looking not bad for a breakout to the upside. But we should be careful here. We should also look at the volume, if that could be a potential fake out, especially once we're getting the breakout here. We should watch closely the volume, what's happening here. So I would like to see volume going over this level here, so above this line. If we break above this line with a green candle on the volume, that would be my confirmation that we break out here for good. If we are not getting here above this line, then we should be careful and see a potential fake out here. So if you want to trade this, guys, either to the upside or to the downside, then you should not forget you can go to BYBIT also for accumulation. It's amazing, or to Phemex. So on both platforms, you still get insane bonuses. If you use my links to sign up there on BYBIT, you get $4,050 plus 0 maker fees with my specific link, and on Phemex it's $4,100. Also only with this link, guys, only for experienced traders. Please remember that the markets are really volatile right now. So yeah, make sure that you know what you are doing when you are trading on these platforms. So then on the weekly chart, so here also really crucial moment for Bitcoin because we are at the bottom of the stochastic RSI. If we see in the next 2-3 days some upwards movement here in direction of $30,000 and beyond, then it could be that the worst is already over, because this line here, this white line, has held support for the time being, and every time when this line has held support, we saw massive moves here back to the upside. So if today this weekly candle closes above this line and we see here a green candle moving away from the $28,790 level, we could basically repeat what we have done here in the past and see here massive upside on the weekly chart, on the macro time frame. Yeah, so but if there's not going to happen and we start here something like this, then yeah, then we are in trouble and we will head way lower. So that's why you see it's so crucial what's happening today and in the next 2-3 days here for Bitcoin to get clear direction where we are heading. So but for now on a weekly chart we can be a little bit cautiously bullish here, yeah, as long as we stay above the $28,800 level. And guys, if you are not yet following me on my Twitter account, my Twitter is AMCryptoAlex, then definitely check this out. I post here a lot of valuable stuff all the time, engaging with you guys, so definitely check out my Twitter and follow me there if you haven't done yet. So guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and single one of you watching my videos. You know what's funny? Even my dad is start to watch my videos. He told me when he was here. So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.